Hey, I want to show you something cool. I just saw this conference, the BB Transform, and I saw the list of speakers for this conference, and I'm like, wow, that is a great group of people. I really want to save all those people so that I can potentially contact them later. So I click here to open the Ask Steve Fab. I bring up the skill picker, I type in people, and I pull up the extract people information from web page skill. And just like that, I mean, literally that took me like 2 seconds. And now it's extracting all that information into a table form, first name, last name, job title, company, and then it's also constructing a link to that person's LinkedIn profile. So it's all done generating now. So let me scroll up to the top, hit the copy button, go and open a new tab and go sheets.new to generate a new sheet. Let me paste that in here, and then let me go to data, split text to column, and I'm going to say it's the pipe separator. And with that, I am done. I've actually extracted all that information into a sheet in less than a minute. And if you imagine how much time that would have taken by hand, you can see how much time Steve can save you with the idea of having skills or prompts that you've pre-built and that can use over and over again on any web page or any text. And then the fact that it actually can read the page and the text directly from what you're looking at right now. So anyway, I thought that was cool and I figured I'd share. Thanks.